Hey, you know how much I love coffee? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a hand holding a mug. Plus, I'm going to show you my step-by-step method to draw any hand. I think you're going to really like this. My name's Kurt. I'm a dad who draws. Come on, let's get to work. Today this would be a hand holding a mug, and we have a specific process that I've developed that keeps you kind of on task and gives you a framework that you can use to draw your hands. So the steps are gesture, palm, tips, knuckles, joints, and then details. Okay, so the first thing what we want to do is take a look at gesture. I always think of drawing the arm first. Then we go to palm. Okay. Fingers. All right. And then of course our thumb. And because we're drawing an object, it's also really helpful to get that object in as we are drawing our hands. So there is my gesture of my hand. So I'll repeat. So for the gesture, you want to go with arm, palm, fingers, and thumb. That's our gesture. Now let's go ahead and establish where the tips of our fingers are going to be. And let's start off with that thumb, because that thumb is going to be right up against that cup there. And then our pointer finger is going to be about there. Now, look at all the other tips are going to line up right like that. So let's... Hey, it's Kurt. Hey, do me a big favor. Give this video a big old thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and go in the comments and let me know if you'd like to see some videos on how to draw feet. Say feet, baby. Let's get back to work. Get our middle finger, ring finger, and pinky, okay? So those are our tips. Let's move into knuckles. Knuckles are the back side of the hand, so we're not going to see those, but we can see the thumb knuckle, and it's right there. That actually is lining up with that ring finger, right? Ring finger, so that knuckle is going to be right about there. Let's go ahead now, and that goes our knuckles. Let's move into our joints, okay? All right, we got quite a few joints here. First joint's coming across like this. Be for both those guys. This joint is going to be right about there. That's going to be for the middle finger. And then the joint for the pointer finger is right there. Right above that is going to be a joint for the thumb. And then straight back here is going to be that joint right there for the pointer finger. Directly below it is going to be the joint for the middle finger. Across the way here, the joint for the ring finger is right below the middle finger joint. And the pinky is coming way back here. Where's he lining up with, I wonder? Right up just south of that. Okay, that looks pretty good. So those are going to be my joints. And now that I have all my pieces in place, let's go ahead and flesh this thing out. Let's start with the thumb here, and I'm going to come in here like this. I'm going to use these scallops because these are the back of the thumb. This is going to come in as a wedge almost. Trunk, and then palm. Okay. Now let's look at the pointer finger. Look at the bottom. It's very straight back here. You see this? Very straight. Kind of comes up like this. Slight overlap there. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and get this mug or cup in here. You draw this oval, make that a nice oval there. Bottom part of the handle is nice and curved there. Top part. Okay, and then handle's gonna come down here, and I'm putting the handle in because the middle finger really rest on it there. All right, here we go. There's my middle finger. Joint from the ring finger now, and look how further that comes in. All my fingers I'm giving a slight curve to. Now let's add just a small curve to signify the changing of direction there. And I'm going to add some tone to help me visualize the change in direction.
You know, one of the best things that you could do in order to improve is to draw a little bit every day.
I've got this great membership class called the Daily Draw.
We get together every day for about 30 minutes. I go live in the afternoon, and we cover all things that have to do with drawing. If you stuck with this for 3 months, I guarantee you're going to be far more confident in your drawing. Link is in the description. Check it out. All right, let's get back to work.
Get the bottom part of my palm here. Nice smooth line there for my arm. I'm going to get that tendon. Added a little more tone, and then in here I'm going to just really dark value to make those fingers stand out. Remember, your eyes will always go to the light. Wherever the light is, that's where your eye is going to go. Okay.
A dad who draws.
Hey, you made it to the end. Excellent. Hey, if you're looking for another video on drawing hands, check out this one right here. Or check out this one right here.